Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy method to find your IP address on a Windows computer. So let's get started. First of all, go to your screen and click on the Windows button. As soon as you click on it, you will see many options appear on your screen. From these options, find and click on Settings. This will open a new window where you will again see different system options. Now, look for the option called Network and Internet and click on it. After clicking, a new page will open where you will see a menu and different network-related settings. Here, you need to focus on the connection you are currently using. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, you will see your connected Wi-Fi network on the screen, and then look for the option called Properties. Once you click on Properties, it will open detailed information about your network connection. Now scroll down slowly, and you will find a section that shows different network details. In this section, look for the text called IPv4 address. In front of this text, you will see a number. This number is your IP address. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful and easy tech tutorials.